Hello, it's Linda Stevens here again, and today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to talk about one specific card, the symbolism of it in general, and how I depicted the card in the Chalice Tarot pack. And here we've got the Four of Swords. Now, the swords I see as belonging to the element of air, thinking, intellect, scalpel of the intellect. And I chose colours related to sky blues, cool turquoises, deep midnight blues at the very top. Notice that the swords are just hanging there in suspension. So there is no threat, no attack of any kind, and in fact there is a justice connotation to the Four of Swords. It's about looking for truce, according to some commentators on the tarot. It's about a successful negotiation where peace is more important than looking for areas of conflict. However, the cards are left there hanging, and that's something that happens a lot with the symbolism of the card. Your affairs might be left hanging. So if you're trying to get a document signed, if you're trying to get a contract sorted out, you're trying to reach a negotiation, the problem may be not so much due to opposition, but more to absence. The person that you need in the office is not here today. Perhaps they're on holiday, or perhaps they are sick. A lot of us, of course, will have been in that situation for a very long time because of the quarantine. But one marvellous thing about the Four of Swords is that it gives you a time to develop better perspectives on things. That's the reason why we need holidays. It's so that we can come back with a fresher mindset and the ability to reset after a difficult or stressful time. So notice that there appear to be what look like mountaintops in each of the three triangles in the card. That echoes a little bit my strength card, where being able to see things from a higher perspective, as opposed to the worm's eye view, which means that we're right there with it. It gives you the chance to get a better perspective overall and to see where we are going. So after a holiday, after an absence, we are refreshed and we can start looking at things with renewed vigour. The zigzags are also about the idea of transmission of ideas. So that's coming too, but perhaps a little bit more in the future. For the time being, though, as with all the fours, there can be an element of stuckness, not being able to move forward. The sticking point is implied by the bricks at the bottom. So in any negotiation, there is always the possibility of not being able to find a negotiation. We reach our sticking points, but at the moment the cards are free of these. So that again is a good augur for trying to reach an agreement that integrates maybe more than one different perspective. Again, implied by the three triangles converging at the top. So that's the Four of Swords. And I hope that was interesting. Do you agree with it? Be very happy to hear your comments. Once again, this is the Chalice Tarot pack, and and the cards are available at Gamecrafter as well as Printer Studio. Bye!